a worthwhile visit packaged by UNEP to bring the key operators of the hydrocarbon remediation project in Ogoniland, Nigeria, to come close to understanding the science of remediation. So that is why key officials of the organization of HYPREP, including the Community Relations Association, including also the Project Coordinator Office, and indeed the Board of Trustees. And then some of us also from the Ministry of Environment that has oversight over HYPREP matters. Now, the essence is to expose us to, like I said, the science of remediation and how we can now use this knowledge and exposure to impact on our operations back in the country. The President is very keen on ensuring that, we deliver as much as we can a very clean Ogoniland in line with UNEP's recommendations. So my expectations, really from this outing, this study tour, is that the key operators of the HYPREP project, in other words, the operators who are in charge of the Ogoni cleanup, from the engineering department that does the scoping for projects, and indeed the assessment to lab analysis, etc. Then to procurement, will come face to face, with that kind of knowledge that exposes them to understand the dynamics involved in remediation, in advanced countries. In other words, we must see the best practice being exhibited here for our possible adoption back home, so that we ensure that remediation exercises back in the country are world-class, in accordance with best practices and global benchmarks, and to also ensure that we indeed deliver, a clean environment for the Ogoni people. So these are my expectations, that we're here to learn and to practice what we're learning back home. So essentially, I hope that the lessons learned will be utilized effectively, so that we can have value, for the money being expended. As you recall, the money has been pooled by IOCs who have been part of the pollution process, rather in Ogoniland. So that is what we're here to do, and I hope that we'll be able to have that knowledge. But it is indeed a worthwhile visit, and I look forward to such similar engagements in the future, where our people can be, exposed to the rudiments of exercise of remediation globally.